Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about why max supply is that matter. Also, after I'm gonna show you how to calculate market cap, but let's start with the first one. Maximum supply means there is a final limit. No more coin can be created after that. This is very important. First, scarcity creates value. If demand keeps increases and supply stays stable, the price can go up. Simple economics. Second is protect against inflation, which is other matter things. Traditional system, governments can print money whenever they want, and it's after a while can affect those money's price and values. When supply increases so much, this money, these coins are loses their value. But with fixed max supply, it can let people know there won't be any other increase about these supplies. It will fix. There will be no any created coin anymore, and this is help to protect value over time. And the third is build investor confidence. Because when there is an investor and they know there's a max supply, they will know there will be, no any inflation, there won't be any increase on supply. That's why they trust that project. They, think some future on this project, on those coins or money, whatever it's work like that. When supply keeps stable and demand increases, we will see some rise on that coin, on that project. That's why investors also get confidence. There is have this balance, so we need to know when we are making some investment on some coins. Basically like that. So I will show you again on Bitcoin. As you see on the price, current price is 68k. When we see Bitcoin, we can see their market cap. So how we can calculate it? Easy. Also, I will show you circulation supply in short way. Bitcoin currently on 68k and it has 1.35 trillion market cap. So how we calculating it? To get market cap, you need to multiply circulation supply with current price. So 19 million multiply 68k equal 1.35 trillion. That's easy. So what is circulation supply? It's basically what is in market, what is created, what is people buying, selling, trading or holding right now. That's circulation supply. Circulation means like circulating in the market. Basically like that. And what is total supply? Total supply means all Bitcoin which is created till now on market but not active. Some of them not active. I can say that they are similar with circulation supply. Just in total supply, there might be, just newly created Bitcoin, which is not on market yet, which is just had some mining, That's why we can think that they can be equal or total supply sometimes might be higher than circulation supply. That's it. And max supply on Bitcoin is 21 million and people know it will end. There won't be 22 million on Bitcoin and it's also affecting its price. It's giving some trust to their investor because people know it has a max supply. They have limited supply. As I explained to you, it makes good balance between supply and demand. When there is a demand, we will know that it will increase, it will rise up as it shows almost, years. Let's look at like that. Yes, as you see, it keep rising. So basically, you can calculate market cap by multiply those things, and you can understand the meaning of total supply and max supply. So you need to understand balance between supply and demand. When supply is limited and there's a demand, price will rise. When supply is not limited, or let's say there is a lot of supply, not million, like billion, and there's have no demand, there's have no buyer, then price will be drop. Basically like that. If you like the video or if you like the way I'm telling, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell.